Hello, Joe.
Ah, hello, Diarmid.
Where are you off to today?
Today, I'm going to the vegetable garden.
I've just come from the vegetable garden.
Ah, good. Bye.
Bye.
Where is the garden?
There.
Okay.
Johnny Silly.
Oh, oh.
Bye.
Hello, Joe. I'm Shauna.
Hello, I'm Joe.
I'm Dara.
Today is going to be a good day. We're going pulling potatoes. Stop. They're children's gloves.
Oh. Wait here. They fit like a glove.
People will come to buy
Bye.
potatoes,
Yes, potatoes.
but I need a wheelbarrow.
Oh, but I'm so tired. Will you help me?
Yeah.
Oh. Dara? A green wheelbarrow? You are such a good delivery man. My hat. Well, thank you for your help, Dara. But it's time to go.